Hi, my name is Ahmar Bauman, and this is my submission for CS50 Web Development's first project, the Project Zero homepage. So, this entire web page has a Bootstrap media query um, structure. So that means that I can look at this entire thing on this laptop, or I can look at it on my phone, and the only change would just be the media that I'm looking at this webpage through, and it would look the exact same. Um, the media query is to make sure that no matter what way the information looks, it'll still look to be something that's readable and accessible. Um, so this right here, this first page, the index page, the hub, if you will, uh, this page here has a H1 tag which has the information here just saying what the page is. First thing you see, there's also a title as well. The title here is simply just what would pop up depending on what uh, you see from the tab. So, and then for that there was a banner that was placed behind the H1 tag, and that just shows the um, color difference between the background and the banner. The banner was light blue. That was actually the style tag. And then after those two were closed, there was a picture that was used, an image source that was used, and in the style tag there was a margin that was made into automatic, as well as margin right and also the width, so that this picture, you can see right here, would always be at the center fold. It would always be uh, at the middle of the page. Then after those tags were all closed, then there was simply just some paragraph tags by myself and some interests of mine towards the field. So these are the other pages right here. This is the About page. The About page, the change I made here was that I changed the color of the background. That would actually show up in the code. But the main thing here was the table is used. So the table actually reflects the change in background color. And these are again just some interests of mine, things I like and things I've done before. And then this interest page, again, I changed the background color, made it light green. That would show up in the HTML code. And this here looks as if it's a table at the last page, but it's actually something like a list. I just changed some of the formatting in the code so that it would look close to a table. But the main, or the more interesting thing is actually that I nested ahref links in the list items here. So all of these work, really, all of these work perfectly. They can, they'll work perfectly. So essentially, if I click on only one of them, it'll take me to the page, and I can go back, and I can go back to another. So essentially, if I tack on any of these or press any of them, it'll take me to the videos. And then this right here is the last page, which was just some quotes. This is also an unordered list, and the only thing here was changed was the background. So one other thing about this page is that it's completely safe. So by that I mean that I can open this up and I can freely switch between each of the tags here. Well, I'm sorry, each of the pages here. They'll work perfectly without issue, and everything works. All the videos still work well, so there's no issue with anything at all. That's my presentation.